Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naomi. If you're new here, today I'm gonna be making some apple juice. So I took my time, I went to my father's house. Today we are going to be plucking a lot of apples. Say hello to my young sister. So today we are going to be plucking apples, and because there are so many, I decided to make some juice, and I'm gonna show you how I make my apple juice and give you some of the recipes that I use. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below and like this video. Now that our apples are ready, I washed them. I washed all the fruits. Remember always to wash your fruits very well. I'm going to be using a juicer, but you can also cut your fruits in smaller pieces and use a blender to make this juice. I'm going to be using pineapple, ginger, carrots, and some orange, and 1 lemon. I'm going to be making 2 different types of juice. First is going to be apples and pineapple, and then the second one is going to be everything, like apple, pineapple, ginger, and some lemon. I realized later that the apple and pineapple and ginger was actually better than all the fruits mixed together. And here is my small juice maker, juice machine, juice. Okay, yeah, the juice machine. Feel free to use a blender. Yes, feel free to use whatever you have. Guys, I make this juice every after 3 days. Of course, not the same. I make different juice every after 3 days because I'm trying to be healthy and I'm trying to treat my stomach well. I stopped buying sodas from the supermarket, and I also stopped buying juice from the supermarket. I rather buy fruits, or I go in the garden if we have to harvest any fruit, and I use that to make my drinks. Or if I don't have any more of my juice, I always drink water, and I've actually seen the change. A very good change. I can actually see that my skin has started glowing, and I also feel light. I really love the color. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to leave a comment. I'll be coming with more juice recipes, and take care of yourselves. Bye bye.